Hi everyone, in today's video we would like to show you how to use the different built-in lettering styles on the Brother A150 Computerised Sewing Machine. Start by turning your stitch pattern plate around. You have 3 different font styles to choose from. You can choose between Gothic character stitches, handwriting character stitches, or an outline character stitch. To select the Gothic character stitch, press the character stitch key once on the operational panel. Continue to search for the letter on the pattern plate and find the corresponding code. Enter the letter code into the operational panel using the numeric keys. Continue to enter the corresponding letter code until you have the word, sentence, or phrase you wish to write. The Brother A150 Computerised Sewing Machine has 80 different capital letter characters to choose from, including punctuation marks, numeric numbers, some special characters, and a space for in-between words and letters. You are also able to repeat the pattern, or just write one pattern. To repeat the pattern, select the manual key on the operational panel and scroll down to Single Repeat Pattern on page 4. Select the right arrow key and repeat the pattern. Press OK to return to the pattern on the screen. Before starting to sew, change your presser foot to the monogramming N foot and snap it in place. Continue to sew the pattern. You will notice the character letters on the screen moving by as the machine is busy with each character letter. To select the handwriting font style, press the character stitch key twice. Repeat the same steps to enter your word, sentence, or phrase you wish to sew. It is important to know that the machine will automatically change to a single pattern once the font styles have been selected. If you wish for the pattern to be repeated, you will have to change the machine settings to repeat the pattern again. Finally, to sew the outline character stitches, select the character stitch key 3 times. Continue to enter the corresponding character code into the machine using the numeric keys on the operational panel, and repeat the pattern in the machine's manual on page 4. It is also important to sew with a medium consistent speed when sewing character letters to ensure the letters form neatly. The 3 different lettering styles is a great way to mark children's school uniforms, clothes, or to create custom ribbons for gifts. Please like, subscribe, and follow our channels for more tutorials, tips, and videos.